Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in a BMW i3 key fob. First, you'll need a new CR2032 coin cell battery, which is commonly available. You'll also want a small flathead screwdriver or a similar thin tool to help gently pry open the fob. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. This simple task will restore full functionality to your key fob in just a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small, rectangular release button located on the side of your i3 key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. This action reveals a small slot where the key blade was housed. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist or pry the screwdriver to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one was. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Test your key fob to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, are working correctly. You should now have a fully operational key fob. Also, for some great deals, including a link to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.